Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button. Do it now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, what we're going to do, we are going to create a list here called My List. And we're going to put some numbers in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create a file and we're going to print those numbers from the list into our file. So we do it like this with open, and we're going to create the file here. I'm going to call it my output.txt, and this will create a file in our Python folder that we're working from, and we use the W here to create the file, and we're going to write to it as well. So as let's say file, and now we're going to do for item in list, sorry, not in list, in my list. And it's going to be file dot write. So we're going to use the str as string and select the item, and then it's going to be new line, and that's the code. So hopefully, if I've not made a typo, it should run. So let's run it. Okay, all's looking good so far. Now we're just going to go into the Python directory, which is going to be here. Okay, so that's the file that we've created, my output. And there we go, we've printed the numbers from that list into it. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up anyway. And I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.